Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, we've covered some key topics in staying safe online, from blocking scam calls and texts to setting up strong passwords. Today, we're focusing on something just as crucial: how to protect your devices from malware. Malware can cause all sorts of problems, from slowing down your computer to stealing your personal information. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step instructions for installing and configuring antivirus software, and I'll show you how to regularly scan your devices for malware and remove any threats. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about antivirus software. Antivirus software is your first line of defense against malware, so it's essential to have a reliable program installed on all your devices. Step 1 is choosing the right antivirus software. There are many options out there, both free and paid. Some popular choices include Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, and Avast. Free versions often provide basic protection, but if you want more comprehensive coverage, like real-time scanning and advanced threat detection, a paid version might be worth the investment. Once you've chosen your antivirus software, download it from the official website. Be sure you're downloading from the legitimate site and not a third-party source, as these can sometimes be compromised. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing where to install the program. Once installed, most antivirus software will prompt you to update the virus definitions immediately. This ensures the program can detect the latest threats. Make sure to allow these updates and set your software to update automatically in the future. Next, take a few minutes to configure your antivirus settings. Many programs offer a range of features such as real-time protection, scheduled scans, and web protection. I recommend enabling real-time protection, which monitors your system continuously for threats. You should also set up scheduled scans, ideally daily or weekly, depending on your usage. Finally, make sure the software is set to scan email attachments and web downloads, as these are common ways for malware to spread. Now that your antivirus software is installed and configured, it's time to make sure your device stays clean. Regular scans are crucial for catching any malware that might slip through the cracks. Here's how to perform a manual scan with your antivirus software. Open your antivirus program. Look for the option labeled Scan or Run a Scan. This might be on the home screen or under a Security tab. Choose the type of scan you want to perform. A quick scan checks the most common areas where malware hides and is faster, but a full scan goes through your entire system and is more thorough. I recommend running a quick scan daily and a full scan at least once a week. Click Start or Run to begin the scan. The software will go through your files and folders, looking for any signs of malware. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the type of scan and how much data you have. If the software finds anything suspicious, it will usually give you the option to quarantine or remove the threat. Quarantine isolates the file so it can't harm your system, while removal deletes it entirely. It's generally a good idea to quarantine first and then research the file to ensure it's not a false positive before deleting it. Remember to check your antivirus logs regularly to see if any threats were detected and what actions were taken. This helps you stay informed about the security of your device and catch any potential issues early. To recap, installing and configuring reliable antivirus software is your first step in protecting your devices from malware. Make sure to enable real-time protection, set up automatic updates, and schedule regular scans. Regularly scan your devices to catch any malware that may have slipped through. A quick scan daily and a full scan weekly will help keep your system clean. That's it for today's episode on how to protect your devices from malware. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to secure your social media accounts, another important step in protecting your online presence. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.